Hi, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to episode 2 of my Arduino tutorials. Today I'll be teaching you guys about the sketch and the breadboard. So if you are interested in that, you're in the right place. I'll be leaving links in the description so you can get an Arduino kit which comes with the Arduino. I'll also be leaving a link beneath this video for those of you on my website. I actually recommend watching on my website because I leave notes for you to understand everything further. Just in case you don't get anything from this video, I'll probably have it in my notes on my website. I'll leave that in a link in the description too, just in case you want to check it out. Well, without much further ado, I'll see you guys in the video. Alright, so when you get the Arduino IDE for the first time, this is exactly what you're going to see. This is exactly what you see. So over here we have the void setup. In the void setup, the code you put in there runs once. It does stay right here to run once, and then the code here runs repeatedly. That's what the code here does. So then if you enter any code within these curly brackets, see these curly brackets here, these curly brackets, any code entered within these brackets would run repeatedly. It doesn't just go over once, it keeps looping. That's why it's called the void loop. It keeps looping the code you put in there. So if I put code for an LED to blink, it's just going to keep blinking forever, like basically. But in here, the code just runs once, and it's used to set up the board. Basically, you just let the Arduino know what pins you are using, stuff like that. So the void setup is to give the Arduino certain important information, I guess, to let it know pins you are using, stuff like that, to give it those information like that. And after running through that code, it doesn't keep looping it. It goes into the void loop and then runs whatever code you've put in there repeatedly, unless you place certain conditions. So that's just what the sketch is about. It's nothing too complicated. In your Arduino kit, you can find this thing right here. This is what it looks like. This is your breadboard. You can use it to connect electronic components together without having to solder them. So you don't really need to, you are basically combining circuits without any soldering. It makes everything easier. It's perfect for prototyping your project. Anyways, this is how it works. The breadboard has a lot of holes you can connect your pins to, so you can attach your electronic devices. Alright. With this right here, you can connect this pin here across like this. It doesn't go downwards, but then you can combine it across. So all of those will be connected to each other. All of these are connected to each other. These are connected, these are connected, these are connected to each other, these are connected. So yeah, it's like that. Those are connected in that direction. You can't connect pins on either side to each other though, across this division. This division right here separates this side from this side, so you can connect them together like that, but you can connect them to each other in that direction basically. And now pay attention, you can't connect the pins down like this in this direction. You can't do it like that all the way down. You can connect them down, but you can't connect them in this direction. Now with the side pins, you see this positive and negative sign right here. With the positive, you can connect it all the way down like that, and with the negative, you can connect it all the way down like that. But you can't connect them to each other. You can't connect a positive pin to a negative pin. It connects in that row, but not in the opposite row. It's the same thing for the other side. You just need to put it in and that whole row will be connected. The positive sides are connected together and then the negative sides all the way down. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.